I am Teo Thomas, and this is the Robustry channel, where we help you to level up and live a more robust life. And right now, I only have about 5 minutes to make a video, so I'm going to teach you a simple little 5-minute technique called the snapshot technique. If you're in a situation where you don't have a lot of time or a lot of privacy, what I want you to do, for example, if you're in your car waiting for somebody or you're in a waiting room, if you can, close your eyes. If you can't, then just soften your gaze, just kind of like I'm doing right now. And then get clear in your mind an objective that you have. What I propose is that you just go with a simple idea, not something really complicated like, your lifetime dream, just something simple. Maybe it's manifesting that cup of coffee or getting a call from a friend. So get that clear in your mind. Next thing, create a very, very short little image of it. Just a short little scene, and it always has to be from first person. You cannot be, for example, like right now, I'm sitting here in the driver's seat looking at the telephone. I'm not imagining myself over in the passenger seat looking at myself sitting in the driver's seat looking at the telephone. So make sure that you're in the driver's seat. You must be in the driver's seat in your vision. Okay, now get clear a little snapshot of it, just like 5, maybe 10 seconds at most. See the details of it. And I want you to see the colors and hear the sounds. And now I want you to imagine that you have a red dial in front of you, hand size dial. It has a pointer on it. And you're going to turn the dial all the way to the right. And as you do that, you're going to see that the colors become much more vivid, much more intense, much more saturated. And as you do that, you will also notice that the sounds become more intense, not loud, but more clear, more crisp. As you do that, I want you to notice the feeling becoming more and more intense, becoming more exciting, more enjoyable, much more where you just feel that tingling sensation throughout you. Now, if it takes doing that a few times, that's fine. Don't imagine it resetting, just imagine turning it to the right a few times until you actually see it increase, until you feel it increase, until you hear it increase. Now, when you get that snapshot, as intense as you can make it from the driver's seat, first person, dwell in it. That means dwell means to live. Live in the experience with your eyes closed or your eyes in a soft gaze. Feel it from deep within yourself, and then take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine that you're releasing it out into the universe, and air is everywhere. When I open the door here, the air that I just exhaled will go out into the atmosphere. And let it go and expect. You must expect it to happen. So the key factors here, get clear on what it is that you want. And like I said, for right now, just make it a simple thing. 2, believe that this is possible. That's ultimately important, because if you don't believe, nothing is possible. 3, get clear on how it will feel as if it's already happened. And you must be in the driver's seat. I guess that should be number 3. You must be in the driver's seat. And 4, release it. Just let it go. I am Teo Thomas, and this is the Robustry channel, where we help you to level up and live a much more robust life. Thank you for watching. If you got something out of this, please give a thumbs up, write a comment down below or questions, and subscribe, because I have a lot more content like this for you. Thank you.